Tender Willy on that. Sijui kama inakubalika, na kama ikubaliki niambie jamani. It is the Social Room. I'm your host Likuyani Eli. Ukitaka niite pale Ankuwa Majuu pale ndani ya TikTok. A good one. Now. Crossing over smoothly. You know, I just saw that news about that interesting development somewhere in the UK, and I was thinking, Kumbe it's possible. It's possible. Watu wa Anglican Church mujipigie makofi. And why I'm saying this is because I remember, you know, if my mother was in the UK, she'll definitely become the Archbishop. And here's why. You know, one of these fine days, it was during Easter season, and we went to the village. While in the village, something extraordinary happened. So you need, as a man or as a boy, you need to entertain yourself. Mama naye kamua anaenda kanisa because she and church hapa. Mama yangu bwana siwe sana. So I was having the time of my life as a young man. Nikachukua, mnajua tairi ya gari. Now there is this one, tulikuwa tunaita tairi ya ndege. Small one, smaller wheel. Kaambiwa na one of my cousins told me, if you want this thing to ride at supersonic speed, you need to put in cow dung, all right? Inside the rubber of the tire, okay? Put cow dung, and then you put some little water. So it's a bit slippery. Mimi nikaweka. Kaniambia sasa, we are going to see who amongst ourselves can become Michael Schumacher. Mimi ni nani? Kachukua. Kaweka samadi vizuri, nikaongezea maji lita moja, utafikiria ni gasoline kwa sababu saizi imepanda bei, iko juu. Alafu kaniambia, now you take 2 poles, okay? Just good enough. Just good enough thickness. Naweka, now it's your wheel, it's your steering. Nikaweka ndani. Wacha tuanze mbio. Sema magari ya langa. Unakata kona, unaenda na kona. Then I took a corner. But you see, when you negotiate that corner, you must be able to balance. It's literally like doing a ride on a bike. All right? On a racing bike. So I missed my navigation by a small fraction. That's when I noticed the manner pi r squared na angle theta. My theta was too much. Tairi katoka kwa my driving wheels, which are like some very well done poles, straight. Na ilikuwa ya mti wa mapera. Unajua mti wa mapera? That thing did what was done to Jesus. Into my ribs. Mimi ni nane, flying kick kwa hewa, chini on the ground. Lakini because Shetani likes to look for trouble when you are least looking for it, who appears next? My mother. Where is she coming from? The church. What has she been filled with? Holy Spirit. You see, not everything in this life requires the devil to be defeated and prayers. My mother saw me, and at that moment, I did not know what had happened. Actually, now I understand I had experienced some concussion. My mother was addressing me, but she looked like a stranger to me. And she started saying, pepo mchafu ninakukemea katika jina la Yesu, toka! Wewe sio mtoto wangu, wewe ni pepo umetumwa kwenye My mother, not everything in this life is all about maombi. Vitu vingine inaweza kuwa tu ni ugonjwa kawaida, especially after an accident. No wonder niliwacha kufuata maneno yako. Siku hizi tu ninaongea na wakina Shiko wakiniambia ndovu sijui imefanyika nini. Haya, good evening.
Gold FM. Ndovu ni cool. OG. WD wanna do.